Good morning to all. Food service. I'm going to discuss about food service in hospital development of a theoretical model for patient experience and satisfaction using one hospital in the UK NHS as a case study. Abstract. Hospital food service does not operate in isolation but requires the cooperation and integration of several disciplines to provide the ultimate patient experience. The objective of this research was to explore the antecedents to patient satisfaction and experience, including the service element. Introduction. Patient meals are an integral part of hospital treatment and the consumption of a balanced diet crucial to aid recovery. Even so, it is well established that up to 40% of patients may be undernourished on admittance on to hospital. Methodology. An NHS hospital was identified in the south of England where a bulk trolley system of food delivery was in place. The hospital selected for the case study serves approximately 800 meals at each main meal using a 4-week menu cycle and was allowed 1.98 per patient per day for food and average costs. Data analysis. Interviews were transcribed verbatim in their entirety to facilitate analysis. The analysis of text was completed by NUD IST, a computer assisted qualitative data analysis software package, together with the researchers' own knowledge and understanding to confirm themes. Results. Transcripts were analyzed and the tree diagram generated by NUDIST is presented in figure. Patient care. All clinical stakeholders were in accord that there should be nutritional policy framework and that this should be under the auspices of the nursing directorate. Patient satisfaction. Medical and catering staff identified that patients are becoming more demanding and more critical. Meal times. The potential of protected meal periods. Food service uninterrupted by medical staff was greeted with enthusiasm by patients and hostess. Food service management. The main theme with regard to food service management was the fragmentary nature and difficulty of communication between the kitchen and wards. Food service managers have to rely on kitchen porters for the delivery of food to the ward. Ward staff have difficulty in communicating with food service staff, and dietitians, doctors are reliant on nurses to communicate any concern regarding patients. Patients monitoring. It is the fundamental right and expectation from both patient and the relatives that care will be monitored on a regular basis, and this includes food intake and clinical status. Patient satisfaction. The consideration of patients' expectation and perception should have particular significance in shaping the objectives of any food service operation. Limitations. Case studies are attributed with the ability to chances, enhance understanding, and to establish cause and effect. It is suggested that this methodology is eminently suitable for hospital research because of the potential arising from the diversity of application and the inherent strength in accessing data about complex social situations. Thank you.